Hi everyone, welcome to today's chart of the day, and for today's chart and trade of the day we will be taking a look at the Aussie dollar. Alright, so I just want to start off with the daily, and I really want to focus on this area here. Very interesting is that Aussie dollar has been making a low and then a high and then a higher low and then a higher high and then a higher low and then a higher high and then a higher low. It looks like price could possibly make a higher high. Now this is a very simple pattern to watch. Okay, very simply, price does seem to be within a sort of an ascending channel. Okay, so very quickly let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, this is what we have. Okay, the ascending channel that we saw on the daily. All right, now price will, if price is really going to form a new higher high, then of course on the longer term picture, right, we should see that price push up towards the channel resistance at least, right? Okay, however, there is a short-term intraday opportunity which may be worth taking a look, and I will show you guys very quickly. But just a word of advice would be to always trade with the bigger picture, right? The trend is your friend. Now, if you were to look at price action, okay, from this recent high to this low, we do a retracement for that movement. Alright, we open up the 78.6 Fibonacci level. We see the price is actually currently testing it. Okay, and if anything, if there really is a proper reaction at the level, price should sort of do a small pullback to the graphical overlap kind of thing before going higher in line with the daily direction. Okay, so the intraday short that I was talking about is actually this short-term pullback, right? So we just there are definitely a few scenarios over here. All right, the first scenario is that price makes a short-term pullback to the graphical overlap, okay, and then it continues its rise. All right, the other scenario is that price just makes a push up towards the channel resistance. Okay, so a bit hard to see the levels here, right? So let's just quickly go down to the 1 hour. So the 1 hour definitely easier to see. Okay, let me just open up the chart a bit more. Alright, we see that price really made a low over here at this spike, and that was when the movement upwards started. So we can use Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, and we can see that the 23.6% retracement level, the first support, is actually over here. Right, should price break the 23.6%, there is a chance that it will go down to the 38.2, which is this graphical overlap level. Okay, we see that price has tested it once and tested it twice. Okay, so like I said, the target that we're playing for is really all the way at the channel resistance, which is in line also with our 61.8. okay, in line with our 61.8. that is really our longer term take profit. All right, and we can have a partial take profit sort of over here. Okay, so we're bullish for a few reasons. Is that there is a ascending channel. All right, firstly. Secondly, price has been making higher highs. All right, we can actually draw a trend line showing that price touched once, touched twice, touched a third time. Should price come back, it will be holding at the 23.6 and the trend line support, all right, before going long. Okay, so I'll just highlight the 23.6. Just highlight a few levels. 23.6, 38, negative 27.2, and negative 61.8. All right. So this, we can either, there are two options. There are two options. Either we can just go long now, all right, but I will wait for a better risk reward and actually wait for price to do a pullback, okay, towards our entry. I'll call this our buy entry. Our stop loss, I will actually not put it directly at the 38 because I'm saying that intraday price, there's a chance for price to come back to that level. So I'll put the stop loss further down, okay, giving the trade a bit more room to breathe. Alright, so on the intraday 1 hour, we are actually holding above ascending trendline support. On the daily, we are also within a bullish channel. So definitely the longer term picture agrees with the shorter term picture, right? So we're definitely not trading against the trend. Last but not least, we can actually check, alright, on our momentum indicators. So looking at our moving averages, okay, we see that price is holding. When price is in an uptrend, it holds very nicely on the above the moving average. So now that price is in an uptrend, we're also expecting price to hold nicely above the moving average. MACD is above 0, showing room for further bullish momentum. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day, Aussie dollar. I hope you guys managed to learn something. As always, do your own due diligence. Take my video and practice and do your own analysis and see whether your own analysis agrees with my analysis. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.